Hello, in this video we're going to fix the connection to Civilization 7 could not be established problem in Civilization 7. So the first step I'll recommend you to do is to verify your game files, which you can do by opening up Steam, going to your library and pressing the little settings icon manage right here, and then press properties and go to installed files and press verify integrity of the game files. I did it already. This will take you depending on your hard drive from a few seconds to a minute or two to three if you're using a HDD drive. So first do that, and if you're done, just look for this little arrow here and look for the Windows Defender icon. Press view security dashboard, and here go to virus and threat protection, and here we need to look for manage settings and look for exclusions, because this problem can be caused by a firewall of the Windows Defender or your other antivirus software. So I would recommend to disable your antivirus software entirely, or just perform an exclusion, which I will do that, and this will just exclude your Steam folder from the Windows Defender and should fix the problem. So let's press Alt or remove exclusions. As you can see, I have it already done, so I'll just delete it and go to the process with you. So first press add an exclusion, then press folder, and here for me I have my Steam folder in the program files, and you can just exclude the whole Steam folder entirely, which I would recommend, or you can just go to Steam, then Steam apps, then common, and find your Civilization 7 folder. Just press select folder, but today I'm going to exclude the whole Steam folder, which will probably fix the problem and other games too. So we're just going to do that, and I have my Steam folder excluded. This should disable the firewall and stuff like that for the other games that I have installed from Steam. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.